Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to send Bitcoin from Kucoin to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how crucial it is to keep your assets secure, and moving them to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move. This step-by-step guide will make it easy, even if you're a beginner. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Connect it to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Once you're in, navigate to the Bitcoin wallet on your device. This is where you'll generate your receiving address. Double check that it's the correct one because accuracy is key in crypto to avoid any mishaps. Next, log into your Kucoin account on their website or app. Head over to the Assets or Wallets section and select Bitcoin. Now, click on the Withdraw button. You'll need to enter the Bitcoin address from your Ledger Nano X that we just got. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to send. Start small if you're testing the waters. Before confirming, take a moment to review the withdrawal fee and network details. Kucoin typically uses the Bitcoin network, so ensure everything matches. Hit confirm, and you'll get a verification code sent to your email or phone. Enter that to proceed. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Now, keep an eye on your Ledger device for the incoming transaction. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to confirm, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, you're all set. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both Kucoin and your Ledger for extra security. And remember, never share your private keys. If you follow these steps, you'll have your Bitcoin safely stored. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.